This video describes the components and assembly of the VCU 3D printed mask. The mask is made of 4 components: the mask body, cap, filter, and 2 24-inch long, 1-inch wide latex elastic bands, although most 1/4 inch to 1 inch elastics could be utilized depending on the resistance to cleaning chemicals. The mask and cap were 3D printed using PA12 nylon powder and an HP Multijet Fusion 4200 printer, and they are currently available in small, medium, and large sizes. The cap attaches to the mask by a screw and thread, and this secures the filter paper with an airtight seal. To assemble, you will screw the cap to the mask. Do this once before inserting the filter to ensure there is no gap between cap and mask. Now that we have checked that, we can put in filter material, which is halyard H600 surgical wrapping, and screw the cap into place. If you have not already, you can secure the 2 elastic bands to the attachment points on one side of the mask with 2 square nuts. Then pass the elastic band across to the contralateral side. You will tie this side during the fitting process as explained in the next video. This video describes the method to fit the VCU 3D printed mask, cleaning, and reuse. You should attempt to fit the mask first without thermoforming. Thermoforming will only be required if needed to achieve fit. To thermoform, apply a standard heat gun on low to the nose bridge area and rim of the mask body for around 1 minute. Ensure that the mask is cool enough to the touch before pressing against the face for a custom fit. At this time, you must allow the mask to cool in order to keep this custom shape. To fit the mask, the elastic length should be adjusted for the user. When you've determined the appropriate length, the person assisting with the fitting process should secure with 2 square knots on each elastic band. Once you have passed the fit test, this elastic length should not be modified. You can cut excess elastic beyond the knots as long as you leave between 1/4 and 1/2 inch of elastic beyond the knot. To clean and reuse the mask, dispose of the filter and disassemble the mask. Allow the mask, straps, and cap to sit in a 0.5 hypochlorite solution for at least 5 minutes. After this, rinse the mask thoroughly with water and allow to dry. Once dry, you can insert a new filter and return to the user. This video describes the creation of the silicone seal for the VCU 3D printed mask. The silicone we used was Dragon Skin 10 Fast, manufactured by Smooth On Ink, Pennsylvania, which was prepared per manufacturer instructions. The silicone is applied as 2 layers. For the first layer, apply a small amount of silicone to the thumb and forefinger of a gloved hand. Grasp the edge of the mask between that thumb and forefinger and rotate the mask smoothly to apply a thin layer of silicone. You will then set the mask on its face and allow to cure for 10 minutes at a 175-degree oven. For the second layer of silicone, you will dip the nose cone of the mask in a well of silicone. Allow excess to drip for 2 to 3 seconds before setting the mask inside down on your pan that goes into the oven to cure for an additional 10 minutes at 175 degrees. During this time, the silicone will form a thicker layer of silicone that spans across the inside of the nose bridge.